At first, I thought maybe my internet was slow or maybe Apple's server was down. So I waited for a while, tried refreshing, even re-logged in, but nope, nothing worked. It just kept giving me that same pop-up. Look at the top right corner, you'll see this little lion icon. That's Brave Shield's icon. If it's on, that means Brave is blocking certain scripts and cookies for this website. Turn that off, then reload the page. If it still doesn't, don't worry, we're going to switch browsers. Instead of Brave, I'll use Google Chrome. So open Chrome, go to iCloud, and sign in with your Apple ID. Once you log in, verify the verification code, and when it asks, do you want to trust this browser? Click on Trust. Once you're inside, open Photos and try downloading your photo or video again. Now watch it's loading. It might take a few seconds. It finally downloaded successfully. So yeah, it's really that simple. The problem isn't with your account, it's just the browser blocking iCloud's downloads. So either disable the Brave Shields or switch to Chrome and your issue is gone.